Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure your SIM is in and the cellular plan is active, because the iPhone shows APN only when a carrier is present. Once done, gather the carrier APN values, APN name, username, password, so you don't toggle back and forth. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, then Cellular Data Options. This moves you directly into the area where iOS stores network values, and it avoids VPN or Wi-Fi confusion. You need cellular focus for APN changes. Once you see Cellular Data Network, tap it and you'll find APN fields for cellular data, LTE, MMS, and personal hotspot. Enter the APN exactly as the carrier gave it. Capitalization and symbols matter because the modem parses them. If username or password are required, fill them too, otherwise leave blank. Make sure MMS and hotspot sections match carrier instructions, because incorrect MMS settings break multimedia messages, and incorrect hotspot settings prevent tethering from working. After you enter values, go back to home and restart your iPhone so the modem reloads the new APN. Then test mobile data by opening a web page, send an MMS picture, and try tethering if needed. If things fail, toggle cellular data or data roaming, then retest. Some carriers require roaming on for certain bands. If problems persist, reset network settings, re-enter APN carefully, or contact carrier support with your iPhone model and the exact APN string so they can verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.